Hey guys, I know I haven't done a video in a while, but here's going to be an ACOG site review. But so yeah, I bought this at Hobby Shop. Like if you've seen my other videos, I mentioned there. So it's an AVP Tactical Special Forces Red and Green Dot Scope. This is not a dot. It's, I don't know, like I can't explain what it is. I'll just draw it out later. But yeah, so I got it for 65 bucks. I was gonna buy it at e-bike for the same price, but since I don't have to pay for like shipping or anything, I decided I should just jump on it. Alright, so here it is. There you go. Let's just talk about adjusting it. It just did not take as long at all to adjust it. It was it took like 10 seconds. But elevation, this elevation on the top. Unscrew the cap. And you see it says up, turn, see counterclockwise. So then you go up or down, and windage is on this side. It's this cap. See? And it says right, go counterclockwise again. Okay. Let me just get the cap, I just dropped it. 1 sec. Okay. So, that's pretty much it actually. I mentioned everything. So I hope you guys liked the video. Always remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.